In this video, we'll look at things a little differently, using the RevolCam. Hi everyone, John here. Yesterday I received the RevolCam in the mail. The RevolCam is called the Multi-Lens Photo Revolution for smartphones. It's made by SwitchCam. SwitchCam is known for their iPhone cases with lenses that can be shifted into place to quickly and conveniently change up your iPhone camera's perspective on the fly. RevolCam is the same idea, but is meant to be universal, so it can be used on many models of smartphones, not just iPhones. It also works on tablets, and it should work on laptops or any other device with the camera that this would be able to clip on. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing here. So, got the RevolCam here. Okay, so very nice slick packaging here. RevolCam by SwitchCam, the multi-lens photo revolution for smartphone. So let's take a look what we got here. Power all-in-one, simply one for all. Sounds like a Three Musketeers thing. Let's open up this slick package. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so it's got a nice carrying case here. USB cable for charging the LED light. Okay. So the big thing here is you've got... Okay. You've got 3 different lenses, which we'll look at in a second here. You've got an LED light. Ooh, that is very bright. Okay. And there's a selfie mirror. Here, why don't we stick it on a tablet. So, I've got an iPad here. Clip the lens right on here like this. Let's do it like that. So when I rotate the lens, I'm rotating it against the device. Okay, so here we have the fisheye lens. I rotate. Okay, this is the wide lens. I guess if I ever need a really good shot of my fingerprints, there we go. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be using the macro lens all that much. So there's 3 lenses: wide, macro, and fisheye. When rotating through the different lenses, it feels like you're going to be shifting the whole unit. So I find it helps if it's clipped at an angle and you rotate it so the motion is against the device. That makes it more steady. It's also got a detachable LED light. It's very bright. When you place it over the mirror, the magnetism does hold it in place, but it does feel more secure if you line up the grooves with the notches here. And just as I said, there's also a selfie mirror if you want to take a photo with the rear-facing camera, since they're often better than the front-facing camera. If you're looking right at the mirror as opposed to the lens, you're still not going to be looking straight ahead in the photo, but it does give you a sense of composition, and you can be sure there isn't something sneaking up behind you. It comes with a microfiber cloth and a protective carrying case with a carabiner. I support it on a Kickstarter, so it was $28 to $29 US. I'm not sure what the final price is, but it should be around there. I haven't used it much, but my first impressions are good so far. The pros are that it's compact, it's convenient, it's universal if you have different devices that you want to use it on. But the cons are, well, I mean, it really feels like it needs to be used without a case for it to grip best, especially since rotating the lens can shift the whole RevolCam unit out of place. But that's my first impression of the RevolCam by SwitchCam. I guess if you want some lenses to make your videos more interesting, this would be something worth checking out. Until the next gadget, see ya!